Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, and today I'm gonna be showing you how you can use two-step verification on AOL. So I have been already logged into my account, and what I want you to do next is go ahead and tap on the three horizontal lines that you see on the top right corner and tap on your profile. Now go ahead and tap on the three horizontal lines that you see on the left corner here and tap on account security. Now scroll down and there you see the option of two-step verification. Now here you have two options. You can either use a security key or use your phone number. And here I'm gonna use my phone number, so I'll just go ahead and tap on there. Now all I need to do is select the country code and add in my phone number. Now you can either get an SMS or get a call. I think getting an SMS would be more favorable, so I'll just tap on send SMS. So as you guys can see, I've received a message here and I've got the code, so I'll just go ahead and type in the code. And now tap on verify and tap on OK. So that is how you enable your two-step verification on AOL. Now the next time if you try to log into your AOL account, you'll get a verification code on your phone number, and that is how you'll be able to log into your account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching the video and subscribe to the channel for similar updates.